Hi guys, today is day 7 for my 30-day aloe vera challenge. So I have me a fresh aloe vera here. Today I'm gonna be doing aloe vera smoothies. I'm gonna make two. One is for grapes and one is for apple juice. Apple juice ice cubes and I have grapes ice cubes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this aloe vera, skin it. The nice thing though, I do have a very nice knife. I love this knife. So later, what I'm gonna do later, I'm going to apply this aloe vera skin on my face. Look pretty good. Take a look at that, guys. That is going to be our smoothies. All right. I love this knife. This is just cut the gel really good. This is what the aloe vera gel look like, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this aloe vera gel. Let's make apple juice first. That's the aloe vera gel. 1 part of the aloe vera gel and 1 part glass of apple juice ice cube. Let's cover it. This looks delicious. I made yours first. Come here and tell me what you think of this aloe vera smoothies. Come over here. Well, just tell me, what do you think? Try it. Cut the other part of the aloe vera. You're gonna try it for me?
Yes.
And let me know. Come over here. What do you think?
It's both good and weird tasting. It has,
well, that is yours because I'm going to make mine.
it's a little bit bitter because of the aloe.
Kind of. But, you know, they're very delicious and healthy. You can sip it throughout the night. You don't have
It's
to...
not something that I hate, and I think I can get used to it.
Okay.
It has kind of a bitterness to it. But
Yeah.
not bad.
Not bad? Oh, thank you. Now it's my turn. I'm going to make my own. Thank you for participating, Han. Take a look at this one, guys. That's a pretty big gel. Do you see that, darling?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's put that inside. And the ice cube of grapes.
I thought those were beets.
No, they're grapes. Ice cubes. need to stir it up. Oh wow, I am so excited. All right. Let's try this now. Oh wow, very delicious. Wow, aloe vera smoothies, guys. Very delicious. You can mix it up with any kind of juice of your choosing, and I love the grapes because it has bitterness to it, and I also like that with apple juice. So delicious. So now I'm not wasting the leaves, the skin. So what I do with the skin, I apply the skin to my face. All right. It's very cool. It does not sting, guys. It feels slippery, but they do dry so quick, and I let it dry for leave it on for my skin for 30 minutes at least before I will rinse it. Now a lot of people actually using them for skin whitening. Okay, the juice for that is gone. Let's use the other one. Oh, feels so good. So that's what I would do with the skin. You don't waste them. So cheers. So delicious. All right, thank you for watching, guys, and this is my day 7 of 30-day aloe vera challenge. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.